Hey guys, this is your friend Mainar from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel another video on Tekla Structures. So friends, in today's video we'll continue the particular video on how to make a staircase or a dog-leg staircase. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you can watch that using the link which has been given right here. So without wasting any time, let's move forward. So now, as you know, this total length of this particular landing is 5750. So we'll increase this length and we'll copy all these elements to the next level so that our staircase can reach our next level. So first of all, we'll just take this slab, open the properties of it, and just make this as 5750. That is, we want to change the particular thickness or the dimension of it, 5750, and then modify. So after we click on modify, this has been modified. So let's we will drag it later on. So let's just open a particular grid view that is along the grid C. So we'll go to window, or we'll go to view list, and in the view list we can also actually work on grid A, and after that we can modify them. So in the grid A, we'll just open the grid A. So now the grid A has been opened. Now we'll just click on this which we want to copy. We can simply go to edit and then copy this, and it is very important which point we use. We'll use this point and we'll place it here. So similarly, we'll copy this again, use this copy once again and place it here. So like this we can keep on increasing our steps till we reach our point. So after that, after we reach up to this point, as you can see here, we have reached up to this point. You can watch. We'll just do this as tile vertically, as you can see here. You rotate this model, so our destination should be this one, this particular zone, that is plus 4000. So this is our zone in which we want to reach. So in here there will be a particular, if you just copy this particular level, and if you go to windows and then view list, and then we'll do the beams for the plus 4000 level which we have. So once the plan view of the particular floor has been opened, we will open that particular view, that is the plan view of plus 4000. And if we want, we can also just add some beams here. We'll go to concrete and then we'll just go to beams. We'll add the beams. Properties of the beams have already been defined, so we'll just add some beams here. This is the level which we want to reach. So now this particular version has been made. We can simply just minimize this, and we'll just can also tile this tile vertically all the remaining opened objects. Or we can just check it out in 3D view. As you can see here, this is the particular level in which we want to reach, and this particular beam we can delete it for now because we don't need it right now. It's just an extension. Okay, so this is our next level floor. So now we can go back to our grid A view. So in the grid A view, as you can see, we have reached the particular level, and if you want, we can just copy this particular slab also for the landing portion. This has been copied, and then we'll go to edit and copy, and then we'll select this and then paste it here. So Actually we can paste it a level upwards, and just select this, move it from here to here. So after we have moved it, as you can see, we can just go back to the 3D view. So as you can see, this slab has been made. So only thing is to move some items, which we can do very easily. So let's start moving this, and we'll select all the items which we need to move. We can rotate and select them one by one. We can then move this, and then after this has been done, as you can see that the way we had calculated the slab and for the landing as well as the rise and tread for the staircase, we have finally achieved that. So this we have created a dog-leg staircase here, and obviously we can add some additional features, like this, there will be obviously this side, one side it is supported by beam, and this side it can be supported by beam, or we can provide masonry as well, masonry infills on this side and that side as well. So those things we can do, but structurally this has been done, the staircase design has been done. This is a typical dog leg staircase, so you can modify your staircase design as per your preference, and in the next video we'll insert reinforcement to it. So keep subscribed to our channel. That's all for today's video. Bye bye.